children, welcome back my channel Learning Tutor. I hope you are all well and happy with your parents at your home. Today I will take a revision test from the previous chapter. Those chapters you had already completed. First chapter, chapter 47. This chapter is about word problem on subtraction. What is word problem? You will solve some questions. These questions first you will read most carefully and attentively. Then you will decide how to solve this problem by addition or subtraction. Okay. It's word problems on subtraction. What is word problem on subtraction? These word problems you will see some keywords like taken away, give, remove, left, broken, flew away, blew off. These words indicate that this problem you will solve by subtraction. Okay. These keywords also indicate that the numbers are decreasing, and decreasing means subtraction. So now all of you see, number 1, Pintu was asked to do 12 sums. How many sums? Total 12 sums. But he do not solve correctly all of these. He solved 10 of these correctly. So how many sums he could not solve correctly? This problem you will solve by subtraction. Why? Because here first Pintu was asked to do 12 sums. Then you will solve 10 of them correctly. So if you will subtract 12 from 10, then you will get how many sums he could not solve correctly. Okay. First you will write statement. Pintu was asked to do 12 sums. Okay, correctly. Then he solved 10 of them correctly. He solved 10 of them correctly. So he could not solve 2 sums correctly. So answer, he could not solve 2 sums correctly. Okay, understood. Same as you will do number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Number 2. A class has 25 children or students. Total 25 children. On a rainy day, 14 children are absent. So how many children are present on that day? First you will try. End of this video I give these answers. Okay. Number 2. There are 44 toffees in a box. Total 44 toffees. 20 toffees are taken out. So toffees are decreasing. How many toffees are left in the box? First you will try. Okay. Then I will give this answer end of this video. Number 4. A king caught 52 thieves. How many? Total 52 thieves. 22 thieves ran away. Ran away. So how many thieves are left? Next, Srikant has 25 comic books. Total 25 comics books. His friend Mohan takes 14 comic books from him. How many? 14. From total 25. How many comic books does Srikant have now? Okay. End of this video, I give all the answers. Okay. Children, now see next revision test, adding 3 numbers on the number line. It's chapter 49. If you will need this chapter's video elaborately, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to know this chapter's video clearly. What is number line? Number line is a straight line. This line hang numbers. Always start from 0 and this number line increasing to the right and decreasing to the left. You will do addition, subtraction, multiplication by this number line. Okay. Now see here 3 numbers 5 plus 4 plus 2. This addition you will do by number line. This arrow indicate the numbers are increasing to the right and decreasing to the left, and these numbers are not stop. First number 5. So you will big jump 0 to 5. Then you will hops. How many times? 4 times hop, because your next number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will hop 2 times. Your next number 2. So you will hop 2 times. 1, 2. Then finally stop here. What is the number? Number 11. So 5 plus 4 plus 2, answer 11. Okay, understood. Next question, now see all of you. What do this show on the number line? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. First, you will try all this number line. End of this video, I will give these answers. Okay. Next, chapter 49. Here to addition, these all are 3 numbers addition, and it's horizontal addition, it's vertical addition. These all are 1-digit numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 8. 0 means nothing, so 4 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8, 12. 9 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. Or you will add 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 13 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Number 3 is also from chapter 49. Here 1 digit. These two are 2-digit numbers. So first you will write tens, ones and write the numbers in place value chart. Tens, ones. First 7 ones. So I have written 7 in ones place. Then 42. In 42, here 4 tens, 2 ones. Next 50. In 50, here 5 tens, 0 ones. First, you will add ones place number, then tens place. If you will add first tens place, it's wrong. 5 plus 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. Then 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5, 9, also 9. 5, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens, 9 ones. Make 99. Okay, understood. Number 4. Now see all of you. Here all numbers 2 digits. I will not write place value chart. So how to do? You will write TO above the number. TO means tens ones. First you will add all the ones place number. Here also you will write TO 0, 0, 5. So answer 5 because here 2 are 0. 0 means nothing. Then you will add tens place number. 4, 3, 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So answer 8 tens, 5 ones, 85. Children, first you will try these sums. These are all addition. Then I will give these answers. Number 1 to 10. Okay. Now all of you check these answers. Today up to this much. Meet all of you in the next class. Take care yourself. Tata. Bye bye.